This camera for a few months now. The thing works great. This is by Eufy. Okay. So it sees it follows you around. And I have this in my basement, basically watching over all the kids. We have a lot of parties, a lot of kids here, a lot of kids that from different backgrounds or different just, maybe they don't know each other. Things happen, things get broken, people say things that happened. And gives me the ability to, go back, rewind it and see what actually happened. You can mount this to like the ceiling if you wanted to, like something like that. And then in the app, you can right side the image, right? Because obviously right now it'd be upside down. So pretty nice. It has a microphone on it. It plugs in with a USB there, plugs into the wall. I have mine stored locally on HomeBase. So I did have the other big company. I switched to Eufy. And then I bought the HomeBase because if you use the HomeBase, first of all, you buy the HomeBase, I think it's around $100. Usually if you buy it with a camera, you get a really good deal on it. But then on top of that, you're not paying a monthly fee to look at your cameras, to look at the backup. So this is constantly recording, but it's keeping all the footage locally on that hard drive. And so you can rewind it forever and see what happened for the most part. I mean, it does overwrite itself because I think it's only 250 gigs or whatever, but you'll see. But in a realistic, I mean, if you're going back a few weeks, you can go back a few weeks. You probably can't go back a few months. And the more cameras you have, more data it's consuming. But I think you get the picture. I would definitely look into it. It's a one-time fee for that HomeBase, and you're going to be able to rewind it. You don't have to pay a monthly fee, which the monthly fee is what really gets me. Big fan of Eufy.